Today's airports must keep pace with digitalization to meet evolving operational needs and customer demands. To run efficiently as world-class hubs, airports are embracing the secure, high-performance connectivity of private 5G networks and the state-of-the-art technologies they enable. Ericsson offers airports the connectivity platform they need for reliable, critical communications. We give them the power to increase security and operational efficiencies and introduce automation and AI capabilities in order to elevate the passenger experience and streamline cargo handling. At the same time, we help them reduce human error while driving economies of scale to ensure safety, security, and sustainability. At Ericsson, we're enabling the airport of the future today. Computer vision allows artificial intelligence and machine learning to be applied to video feeds in order to manage and automate surveillance tasks which would otherwise require extensive or impossible levels of human monitoring. On a private 5G network, high-definition cameras can be connected wirelessly with ultra-low latency and sufficient bandwidth to enable real-time video analysis. With their ability to detect and prevent problems and security threats in real time, these cameras provide enhanced security and operational efficiency throughout the airport. This includes identifying suspicious behavior, unauthorized access attempts, and potential delays and security breaches. Connected security cameras can also assist airports to streamline ground operations, reduce turnaround times, improve security response times, increase safety, and reduce human error. By deterring and detecting irregular events and threats early, they minimize the financial and operational impacts of disruptive incidents, while helping airports comply with stringent security regulations. Ericsson's private cellular networks make real-time video analytics possible, creating a safer, more secure, and more efficient airport. Predictive maintenance involves the use of advanced sensor technologies and data analytics to predict and prevent equipment failures and maintenance issues in the critical systems before they occur. Using historical maintenance records, usage patterns, and environmental conditions, they minimize downtime and disruptions while providing enhanced safety. Airports require seamless operations, and predictive maintenance plays a key role to reduce disruptions and ensure operational continuity for airport equipment and infrastructure. Proactive maintenance reduces costly emergency repairs and extends the lifespan of airport equipment, including baggage handling systems, runway lighting, ground support equipment, and HVAC, resulting in significant cost savings. Because predictive maintenance uses real-time processing to analyze large amounts of data, it needs exceptionally reliable connectivity. That's where Ericsson can make a difference. By integrating a private 5G cellular network, we make it possible to bring the power of predictive maintenance to airports today. Autonomous vehicles, or AVs, are self-driving vehicles, and these include autonomous luggage vehicles, self-driving passenger buses, and tow trucks that are able to move around airports independently and transport passengers, baggage, cargo, and equipment safely and efficiently. These autonomous vehicles are used to reduce human error, drive savings in labor costs, free up workers for more high-value activities, improve efficiency, streamline operations. These types of vehicles must be equipped with advanced technologies such as sensors, cameras, GPS, and artificial intelligence, which enable them to operate without human drivers. From security to baggage handling areas, AVs can maneuver through various airport zones and environments independently. But for airports to fully capitalize on all the advantages of autonomous vehicles, they must efficiently process and manage a large amount of data, while ensuring highly reliable, low latency, and secure connectivity. This connectivity must support real-time data transfer as well as enhanced geolocation capabilities on a network an airport maintains with complete control, security, and autonomy, which is exactly what Ericsson's private 5G cellular network solutions deliver. Smart baggage handling and tracking utilizes technologies like RFID, GPS, sensors, and data analytics to monitor and manage various activities within an airport in real time. Using these technologies, airports can precisely track baggage from drop-off to the final destination. It also allows airports to update passengers on the status of their luggage, improving customer satisfaction through better communication. Smart baggage handling also improves the overall passenger experience by reducing instances of delayed, damaged, or lost bags. This not only enhances passenger satisfaction with airports, it also boosts efficiency and reduces costs by streamlining operations, lowering baggage loss or damage claims, and improving turnaround times. And with Ericsson private 5G networks delivering the high reliability and low latency required, data from baggage tracking devices can be processed and transmitted instantly. The result? Fewer lost bags, a smoother journey for travelers, and a competitive edge for airports. The passenger experience at an airport begins when travelers book their flight and includes every step along the way to the moment they board their aircraft. From contactless check-in kiosks to AR-enhanced wayfinding and on-demand gateside concessions, airports are constantly adapting to meet passenger needs and expectations. Forward-thinking airports must invest in smart solutions to deliver a better experience, since connected technologies are driving frictionless journeys, improved experiences, and real-time information that passengers and cargo owners are demanding. And that's where Ericsson comes in. With Ericsson's private 5G network, airports can optimize key processes like check-in, security screening, and boarding, minimizing wait times and streamlining the flow of passengers and cargo. This allows for a smoother, quicker journey through the airport, while also providing opportunities to improve the overall experience. Airports and airlines can send personalized notifications and information such as gate changes, boarding times, and exclusive offers directly to passengers' mobile devices, ensuring a more pleasant and informed journey. Additionally, personalized in-flight and pre-flight services can be tailored to passengers' preferences and travel history, making the time spent at the airport more enjoyable. By focusing on both efficiency and the passenger experience, airports can build loyalty, stand out in a competitive market, and unlock new commercial opportunities and revenue streams. For airports worldwide, Ericsson's private 5G networks offer the potential to create smarter, more efficient, and safer environments. Our private networks provide the reliability, speed, and capacity needed for smooth and secure airport operations, enhancing customer experience. Critical communications, smart video surveillance, predictive maintenance, autonomous vehicles, and smart baggage handling all require secure, low-latency, high-capacity connectivity. That's where Ericsson excels, offering connectivity solutions that are easy to deploy, scale, and operate. Let us help you streamline operations, reduce costs, and increase passenger satisfaction. Discover how Ericsson can elevate your airport operations today.